students, already we discussed about stoichiometric defects in solid crystals. Today we discussed about the topic of non-stoichiometric defects. Non-stoichiometric defects. Stoichiometric defect. Non-stoichiometric defect means number of cations not equal to number of anions. Number of cations is not equal to number of anions. That is non-stoichiometric defect. So these non-stoichiometric defects is two types. The first one metal excess defect. Second one metal deficient defect. Metal deficiency defect. Metal excessive defect and metal deficiency defect. Metal excess defect means due to anion vacancy. Anion vacancy means in this defect anions are vacant. This is due to cation vacancy. Okay students, the first we taken metal excessive defect. Due to anion vacancy. Okay, suppose you have taken solid crystal. This is one type of solid crystal. These solid crystals should be contains of A, B, A, B, B, A, B, A, A, B, A, B. Okay students, A is the cation, B is the anion. Suppose we say that A is the cation, B is the anion. Suppose you have applied some quantity of temperature, then automatically anion is left. Means this anion is escape, missing. In this place one electron is added. So this anion is left. In this place one electron is occupied in this place. So these left, suppose this anion is left, this is known as anionic sites. The process of left of one anion is known as anionic site. These anionic sites is occupied by electrons. So this term is left, occupied by this place, occupied is by electrons. So these electrons is occupied in the place of anion is known as F center. It is very most important question student. F center. What is the meaning of F center? The F center means the anionic sites is occupied by The anionic sites is occupied by electrons. This process is known as F center. F center means for Benzener, for Benzenter, for color center. It means for Benzenter for color center. F center means, what is the F center? What is meant by F center? The anionic sites is occupied by electrons. What type of electrons? This type of electron. Suppose these anions are missing, I mean left, remaining this place is occupied by electrons. This process is known as F center. How to frame the question in the MCET orientation, that type of exams? F centers is formed by which type of defects? That is non-stoichiometric defect. In the non-stoichiometric defect, metal excess defect. Okay students, metal excess defect. Okay, what is the use of F centers? These F centers is formed very more quantity of F center formed in the crystal. This used to change of colors of crystal. The color of crystal is changed. Suppose how it is possible? Suppose you have taken NaCl. The NaCl creates some quantity of F centers, so its color is yellow. KCl, the color of KCl violet, because of forms of more quantity of F centers. The use of F centers is change their colors. Suppose LiCl, lithium chloride, it is pink color. Suppose you have taken zinc oxide. Zinc oxide is the one type of crystal. These crystals should be contains of white color. Before apply the temperature, you have applied some quantity of temperature, these zinc oxide at the presence of heat to loses of some electrons, like loses of 2 electrons. 2 electrons are left. So because 2 electrons are left, so it is forms zinc. This zinc color is first of all, the zinc oxide should be contains of white. After applying some quantity of temperature, these zinc oxide turns yellow. Because of applied some quantity of heat. This forms adding some quantity of electrons. We should be adding some quantity of electrons. Ions are left, anions are left. These place of anions, 2 electrons is adding. This process is known as F center. The formation of F center to change their color is yellow. This is metal excess defect. Why should be this called metal excess defect? Cation is A. How many A's are forms present in the crystal? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 A's. I mean 6 metallic ions. How many B's? I mean ions, non-metallics. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 only in anions. So excess means more. Metals are more. So this defect is known as metallic excess defect, because due to anion vacancy. Anion means B's are vacancy. This place, vacancy place is occupied by electron. So it is the metal excess defect. Okay students, next, metal deficiency defect. Metal deficiency defect means, suppose you have taken solid crystal. This is the solid crystal, A, B, A, B, B, A, B, A, A, B, A, B. You have taken A is the cat, B is the anion, cation. So applied some quantity of, because of it is metal deficiency. Deficiency means metal missing. Metals are cations are missing because of due to cation vacancy. metals are missing. Okay, cation. Suppose these A and these A are missing. Two A's are missing, two forms A plus A plus. Two electrons, two cations are left. In this place, occupied by same charge of one ion is added. Suppose in this place Al2, suppose Mg2 plus is added in this place. So same quantity of charge is added single atom. This place, this is also cation, but one cation is added two ions. This is known as metal deficiency defect. Suppose these two places are vacant, but these Mg occupied only one place, remaining places are vacant. So how many metal atoms? Mg also metal, and I mean this vacant place is occupied by Mg2, but it contains of only one charge. Both are two charges, but both two places, but one place is occupied Mg2 electrons. Okay students, charges are equal, but vacant place is empty. Okay, one metal, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 metals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 metals. Because of this place is empty. Remaining non-metals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is the non-metals. So metals are missing. Metals are deficiency. Deficiency means loss. One metal is lost because of this process known as metal deficiency defect. Okay students, this is non-stoichiometric defects. And the last one we discussed about solid defects of solid, point defects, and electric defects. Point defect contains of stoichiometric, non-stoichiometric. These stoichiometric, non-stoichiometric is over. And the last one, impurity defect. Okay students, impurity defect means, suppose you have taken one solid crystals. These solid crystals should be contains of some quantity of impurity, like suppose NaCl taken. These NaCl, what type of NaCl? Molten NaCl. It means not a fused compound, not a aqueous compound. Molten means it's ready to dissolve. Okay students, molten NaCl. These molten NaCl should be contains of some quantity of impurity, like strontium chloride. This is the impurity. This impurity is present in the NaCl. Suppose this is the crystal, Na plus, Cl minus, Na plus, Cl minus, Na plus, Na plus, Cl minus, Na plus, Cl minus, Na plus, Cl minus, Na plus, Cl minus. This is one type of crystal. Suppose we applied some quantity of energy as like same defect, like that metal deficiency defect is equal to impurity defect. Okay students, apply some quantity of temperature. 2 sodium ions are left. These 2 sodium ions are left. These two places are left. In this place, one, so NaCl, the charge of Na plus, single charge. Strontium chloride, the charge of strontium 2 plus, 2 strontium ions. So 2 NaCl's, 2 Na ions are left at the place of occupied one strontium atom, S2 plus. This process is known as 2 ions are left. In this place occupied only one strontium atom. In this defect, as like metal deficiency defect, as like impurity defect. Impurity defect is equal to metal deficiency defect. Okay students, this is point defects. Okay students, thank you.